Good morning, SK. As usual, we've got another episode of WTV, but a little bit earlier this time. It will be just me today giving you the news, so let's begin. Here's another look at today's schedule. Today's pep assembly is at 1:05, and you will head there directly after 4th block. By the way, rumor is something big is getting announced, so you don't want to miss out. In general news, you can stop by by SK Latte to try their Valentine's Day menu. Or you could check out Lobo Froyo this week's flavors are Seahawks Blue Raspberry, Vanilla, and Swirl. Loaner Chromebooks and chargers will not be available today due to assembly schedule. Also, they will be available all mid-winter break. If you need a computer, desktop computers in the library are always available. Today, we should be seeing all of you dressed in your class colors. Freshmen should be wearing red for clowns, sophomores should be wearing blue for sharks, and juniors should be wearing yellow for suns, and seniors should be wearing pink for unicorns. The Superintendent Art Show Gallery is up and voting is open. To view the gallery and to vote on the best artwork, go to our hot links page, skHS.sk@school.org/hotlinks. Sophomores, juniors, and seniors. Alola Elementary School will be attending Camp Seymour March 18th through the 20th. If you are responsible, engaging, and interested in playing a meaningful role in a young student's camp experience, please stop by the counseling office to pick up an application today. If you are not interested in joining the assembly today, no worries, there are lots of alternative classes you can attend. Wow, there are so many choices on what you could be doing instead of the assembly if you don't want to go. Spring sports officially start March 2nd. Be sure to get your physicals updated and complete final forms registration ASAP. If you have signed up for 2 spring sports, be sure to edit your choice as you can only play one. Track and field, baseball, fast pitch, boys soccer, girls tennis, girls water polo, and boys golf are all available for signups. In the scheduled events, tomorrow the dance team will be heading off to complete Tahoma. Good luck. Compete in Tahoma. Over the break, boys and girls state wrestling will be at championships all of the way at Tacoma Dome on Thursday and Friday. The boys swim and dive will also be at state championships at the Kings County's Aquatic Center from Friday to Saturday. We are wishing you all lots of luck during these state championships. Boys Volleyball Club has a meeting today in room 339. They will be finishing posters. DECA has qualified for the International Career Development Conference in Atlanta, Georgia. Congrats to Ashlyn Sargent, Sophia Garcia Paz for entering gold certifications for our school's based enterprise, Lobo Froyo, and for qualifying. The clubs meeting today are boys volleyball, drama, link crew. Remember, clubs do not meet over break. That's pretty much it for today's show. I hope you'll have a wonderful winter break. Bye-bye, South.
Okay.